Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic exponent and power. So this topic I will be explaining to you with the help of example. Okay, instead of reading meaning and definitions, I'll take help of an example. So over here, I'll take the first example as, let's say, 1000. Now you have to tell me whether can I write 1000 in the way 10 into 10 into 10. Yes, I can write. Correct? Why? Because 10 into 10 into 10 is going to give me the answer 1000. So now in this case, in exponent, what we are going to do is we are going to write this 1000 in the form of 10. But how? You are going to write 10 and little bit above to the right of it, you are going to write number 3. Why number 3? Because 3 is the number of times 10 is repeating. Okay, so this over here will be called the exponential form, where 10, number 10, that is the number which will be down, will be known as a base, and number that is up, that is 3 over here, will be known as something as exponent. Now how to read this? I'll take up one basic number, 3 raised to 2. Okay. So how I am going to say this? I am going to say it as 3 raised to the power 2. Okay. 3 will be the base number and 2 will be the exponent. Okay. So this is how you are going to be reading and writing the number. I'll take one example more, which is 5, 7. So it will be 5 raised to the power 7. Okay, so this is one way of reading this exponential form. Now I'll take one other example, the other way of reading this number. 125 is one number I got, whose I can write it in this way, correct? 5, 3 times when you multiply, you will get answer as 125. So this I will write it as 5 raised to 3. Right? Why? Because 5 I am writing 3 times. Okay. Basically it is 5 cube. So 5 raised to the power 3. Now this you can write it as 125 is the third power of 5. Okay. So this way also you can write. So I hope you have understood the basic concept of exponent and power. In the further video, we will be learning different rules or the operations of exponent and power. So do subscribe to my channel if you have understood, and if you don't want to miss my future videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Tada, bye-bye.